everybody, it's chapel time. Now this month we're talking all about kindness. So I have my little kindness piggy here with me today just to help remind everybody that we need to be kind to everybody all the time. So today's Bible story is about Jesus when he was about 12 years old and his parents took a trip to Jerusalem. Let's see what happens. Every year Jesus' parents went to Jerusalem for the Passover feast. He was 12 years old when they went to the feast as usual. After the feast was over, his parents left to go home, and Jesus stayed behind in Jerusalem. But his parents were not aware of it. They thought he was somewhere in their group, so they traveled on for a day, and then they began to look for him among their friends. But they didn't find him, so they went back to Jerusalem to look for him. After 3 days, they found him in the temple. He was sitting with the teachers, listening to them and asking them questions. Everyone who heard him was amazed at how much he understood. They were also amazed at all of his answers. When his parents saw him, they were amazed. His mother said, "Why have you treated us like this? Your father and I have been worried about you." "Well, we have been looking for you everywhere." "Well, why were you looking for me?" Jesus asked. "Didn't you know that I would be in my Father's house?" But they didn't understand what that meant. Then they went back to Nazareth, and he obeyed them. Jesus became wiser and stronger. He became more pleasing to God and to people. That's such a good story. You see, back in those times, it was a whole group of people that would go to one place at a time. So when they were all coming home, Jesus's parents thought that Jesus just was in that group. And they all had to walk or maybe ride a horse or a camel or something like that. They didn't have cars and stuff. So it took a little while for Jesus's parents to realize that he wasn't there. But when they did, they sure were nervous. So they went back and found him. But Jesus was so happy to be in the temple, to be where everybody was learning all about God. And Jesus wanted to be a part of that because Jesus is a special part of God. So it's a really good story. You guys make sure you're kind to everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye.